So I'll sing one phrase, and then I will do it again, so you can hear it twice, and then you'll sing it with me 2 times. And then we'll move on to the next phrase. I'll sing it twice, and then you sing it twice with me. Baruch atah Adonai. Here it is again. Baruch atah Adonai. Now you sing it with me. Baruch atah Adonai. Try it one more time. Baruch atah Adonai. Next one. Listen. Eloheinu melech haolam. Listen again. Eloheinu melech haolam. Try it with me. Eloheinu melech haolam. Again. Eloheinu melech haolam. Asher natan lanu Torat emet. Listen again. Asher natan lanu Torat emet. Try it with me. Asher natan lanu Torat emet. One more time. Asher natan lanu Torat emet. Next one. V'chaye olam nata b'tochenu. Listen again. V'chaye olam nata b'tochenu. Try that with me. V'chaye olam nata b'tochenu. Again, one more time. V'chaye olam nata b'tochenu. Last phrase. Baruch atah Adonai noten haTorah. Listen again. Baruch atah Adonai noten haTorah. Try that with me. Baruch atah Adonai noten haTorah. One more time. Baruch atah Adonai noten haTorah. Okay, now we're going to go from the top all the way through. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam Asher natan lanu Torat emet V'chaye olam nata b'tochenu Baruch atah Adonai noten haTorah. Great job.